Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. Let me do an analysis on Nifty and Banknifty for today, and yeah, you will be coming across my video frequently going forward. So slowly I'll start to do that. Yeah, let's get started. So what's happening with Nifty so far is broke out, and then there is kind of consolidation, and it took a support and it went up again. So basically, if you ask me, I did not take any trades in this move, because even in this up move I did not take any trade, mainly because this kind of price action I was not very convinced. But yeah, maybe a small trade could have been taken after this strong close, but I was not active, so I did not take up this trade. No regrets. So yeah, what's happening now? I would not suggest fresh long, just because the election has been in the favor of BJP, and it's a positive thing for market. No, there is a chance that market knew this fact and discounted. Okay, so if you kind of enter now, don't enter because of the election or any news. Make sure to check your risk first, and then, so basically, if you enter now, where will you keep your stop loss? There is no swing low or any places where you think. So the least place is this area, but why would you risk this much, correct? So at least if you have entered here, you could put the stop loss below this swing low or this swing low. Now it's not possible. Your risk reward is not favoring you, correct? So it's quite random, guys. It fell down, and then it quickly went up again. So it's difficult to trade in such market conditions. So in that case, it's completely fine to not trade. So yeah, this could have been a trade, honestly, but I missed it. That's fine. And let's look at the Banknifty. So for Nifty, I need some kind of a consolidation. Okay, I want there will be some consolidation, and then I'll think about it. I'm not going to enter. Yeah, it has broken the previous high, but I'm not satisfied. I'm not going to enter just because it has broken the previous high. Look at what happened the last time. It broke the previous high. Did it go up? No, it went down. So just because it crosses a previous high doesn't mean that it will keep continuing to go up. So coming back to Banknifty, so same kind of scenario. What happened here is it kind of broke this. The last trade that I took in Nifty and Banknifty is this downfall. This is where I took my trade, and I did not take any trades in this. So yeah. So just a moment. Yeah, basically there is no pattern, or it's just random. Banknifty has gone up randomly, and I would not take up any trades. So basically this is a very this is a resistance area. So see the rejection in these area, right? There was a fake a supply. There was a heavy sell off in this area, and then again it went back up. So it's quite difficult to trade in such market condition. I have not taken any trade in Banknifty either. Okay, stocks are looking good. There are few stocks that are looking good. You can go through it and find stocks that are favoring your risk, and then accordingly you can take the trades. So yeah, basically there is no trade in Banknifty and Nifty. Additionally, I would ask you to have a look at ITC. Again, this is not a recommendation or something, but ITC has been on a consolidation for a very long time. Okay, for 5 months, I guess. Since July it has been on downtrend. I mean, I wouldn't say downtrend. This is a much needed consolidation, because the the ITC has been going up ever since the past 1 year, right? From here you could say, ever since this consolidation, ever since February 2022. So for almost 2 years, it has been going up for 1.5 years until this. Yeah, so a due correction is needed, and it has been happening. I mean, it's a good thing that there has been no heavy sell off here. So how do I why do I mean that there is no heavy sell off? So here these are small red candles, correct? It's not huge dump. For example, if you remember, there is a stock called Jubilant Food. Look at this. These are heavy sell off. So you should be very careful. Okay, you should know the difference between a heavy sell off and a consolidation. So basically, I wouldn't enter here, because this is such a huge sell off. Such thing has not happened in Jubilant Food, correct? This is all a small red candle. So these things are very important. Small things in technical analysis is what matters. Okay, not just the patterns. Drawing here and there is not the main thing. Understanding the smaller details of what's happening inside the price action is very important, and that is how you develop your conviction towards any kind of setup. So ITC is looking, I wouldn't say take a trade or anything. I mean, if you are a long-term investor, this would be a good point to accumulate. You can put your stop loss below this and maybe aim up to 500, which is the all-time, I mean, yeah, almost 500, which is the all-time high of ITC, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so yes guys, that would be all. I hope you find this video useful. I'll quickly update this video on YouTube, and I know it's been a very long time since I uploaded any sort of analysis video. So here is the beginning. I'm hoping to upload a lot more videos. Okay, you will find my videos again, and yeah, I have been trading here and there. There was a big trade that I took in the month of September or October. Yeah, September, not October. That was a very big trade that like I didn't have to trade after that this year. I mean, you know what I mean. So I'm just thinking what to do, like if I should upload it or not, or I'm still in, I'm just thinking about it. So yeah, I mean, as far as options are concerned, I did not trade much not even much. I mean, I did not take a trade at all in option in the month of November. I could not see any setups, and September, October was fine, but I did not take any trades in November. Probably some small, very small trades like 1 lakh or 50,000. I would have taken that. But other than that, I did not take any major trades. Okay, so I took another trade in October, some 10 lakhs kind of profit, but other than that, no. I could only think of 2 major trades that I took in the last 2-3 months. Yeah, so that's how it's supposed to be. You should not be trading. Yeah, I will make that as a separate video. I don't want to talk about options much in this video. So yeah, that would be all guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and please let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. Also, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel. So thank you so much.